Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8. This is your computer science lecture for chapter 1. Your topic is role of computer, page number 17 till page number 20. Students, as we already know that computer plays a vital role in our lives nowadays. It has changed our life in many ways. हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि कंप्यूटर बहुत सारी जगहों पे यूज़ हो रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट नाउ अडेज वी कैन नॉट इमेजिन आवर लाइफ विदाउट यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर. So it has become a basic need of today to use a computer. So it plays an important role in all the fields of life. For example, in education, in business, in defense, in media, in manufacturing, and in all other fields of our life. So we will discuss some of its role in different fields related to education first. So in education, it has aided the process of learning. Now you can get any material, any information on the internet very easily. There is no need to search from the books. You can get the books online. और ऑनलाइन भी जो आपको मटेरियल मिल रहा है, यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ द शॉर्टकट की टू फाइंड एनी वर्ड रिलेटेड टू that particular word which you are searching. Then we have so many online programs which are also available. You can get online classes, online tutorials on anything which you want to learn. By the use of computer in the field of education, it has also been observed that it has effective learning. With the A's, it provides the efficient and effective learning. Then we have so much information on the internet where it is used, and then we have multimedia projectors which makes the normal classroom very appealing and attractive for the students. Now let's come to discuss the role of computer in the field of business. Number one is it has improved the productivity. What does that mean? That means that so many number of goods can now be produced in a little amount of time. जहाँ पे पहले इंसान काम करता था, अब उसकी जगह कंप्यूटर इज़ वर्किंग and it works very speedily as compared to the human. So the production is increased. Then it helps you to run business efficiently. Again, efficiently means now all your work, all your data is now saved in a computer. One more thing that it has produced is that revolution in banking. It has produced a revolution in banking. Deposits and withdrawals are instantly logged into the customer accounts in banks. Accurate monthly bank statements are being emailed to their customers. So it has the feature which cannot be even imagined a generation ago. Then we have the use of computer in the retail stores for the barcode reading. When we buy something, we go to the cashier and we pay the money. What the cashier do? He just scans that barcode given at the back of that product, and the price of that product is scanned on the computer. So this is how it is used in the retail stores as well. Then it is used in electronic commerce as well, which is commonly known as e-commerce. Now we used to sell and buy products online using the internet. So this is an electronic commerce. Then we will discuss the role of computer in the field of defense. In defense, computer is used in tanks and missiles to target the enemy. आपको बहुत जल्दी से और बहुत एक्यूरेटली अपने एनिमी का डिटेक्ट कर देता है where to shoot. So this is done by using the computer. Then all your systems are controlled by the computer systems. जिसके पीछे पहले इंसान बैठ के काम कर रहे थे, now these all are being replaced by the computer system. Then we use the computer in designing and testing of weapons as well. This is also one of the greatest feature. And then computer is also being used in communication. ओवरऑल इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज इन कम्युनिकेशन. हम डेली लाइफ में कम्युनिकेशन के लिए इसे यूज़ करते हैं, बट स्पेसिफिकली इन डिफेंस it is used in communication. Now let's come to media. How computer is used in the field of media. Computer have a lot of application in print and electronic media. In print media it is used in the preparation of newspapers, magazines, etc. And in electronic media it is used for broadcasting purpose through satellites and through networks. So media industry cannot even think of work without the use of computer. Then we have manufacturing. Nowadays computer technology is also used in manufacturing industry. Why it is used in manufacturing industry? Because it has good accuracy, fast speed and excellent quality. It is used in two main fields, which is computer aided design, CAD, and computer aided manufacturing, which is known as CAM. Computer aided design means to use the computer hardware and graphics software to create the designs for the product. And computer aided manufacturing means to plan and to manage the production operation of the company. It helps in automatically producing the finished products. So this is how the computer is used in manufacturing industry.